This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Regester. Welcome to this charming 2-bed, 2.5-bathroom townhouse in the desirable Summit Ridge subdivision. The main level boasts an open floor plan with a spacious living room with breakfast bar looking into the kitchen. The kitchen includes all appliances with ample table space and opens up to a sunny balcony facing south. Both bedrooms are located on the upper level, each with their own ensuite bathroom for added privacy. This home features a walkout unfinished basement with one-car garage, perfect for additional storage or future finishing additional space. For more information, review the details below or contact Regester at 812-323-1231.